A lot of Ukraine's success has been with their intel and fast response time. With their drone army covering more and more of the battlefield, they can both do surveillance, spotting both active and hiding equipment, improving their response time to quicker strike a target, and strike it time over time until Ukraine is sure it can't be repaired. With a high-value soup park counter-battery radar being struck, while the first few strikes made sure to destroy the radar, such a valuable target is worth making sure it can't be repaired, if the possibility exists, having more strikes until it's burning. While other expensive systems help out themselves, as MLRS systems carries a lot of firepower, only needing to hit one rocket to possibly start a chain reaction, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I have for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.